Fifth graders, this week we're working on verb tenses for grammar. We'll be looking at the past tense, the present tense, and future tense verbs. So there's quite a bit of information here for you. We'll start over here. The tense of a verb tells when an action takes place. A verb in the present tense tells what is happening now. So I am reading a book. We know that am is a verb. It's a helping verb. So am reading. To form present tense singular verbs, we add s to most of them. Sometimes, though, you'll add es depending on the ending. So if a word ends with s, ss, ch, sh, x, or z, then you would add es. So she busses to work. Busses is your verb. He misses the train. Misses is your verb. And these are all present tense. They're happening right now. She washes the dishes, he waxes the floors, and she buzzes the doorbell. If you have a verb that ends with a consonant and the letter Y, you change the Y to an I and add ES. So Esther Morris worries. Okay, worry would be WORRY. We take the Y off and add IES. A verb can be in the past tense if it tells about an action that took place in the past. We add ed to most of these verbs. So walk turns into walked. Like turns into liked. If a verb ends in one vowel and one consonant, we have to double the consonant before adding the ed. So pet becomes petted, and we add the extra t. If it ends with a consonant and a y, we change the y to an I and add our ending ed. So try is try. If we want tried in the past tense, we change the y to an I and add ed. A verb in the future tense tells about a future action and is formed by adding that helping verb will. So we will walk after school tonight. All right, let's take a look at some practice. All right, let's start with this practice. We're going to begin with using the future tense of the verb. So future means we need to add our helping verb will. So we will write a list of instructions for you before we leave. So we would add the word will, and then our verb, our action verb, write. We will write. Okay, for number 2, I will remember. I'm going to go ahead and switch here and type in our answers. So we would insert in here, I will remember your kindness long after you're gone. Deliver, they will deliver the new dishwasher the day after tomorrow. So again, we use that helping word will and then our verb. So we will deliver, they will deliver. All right, down here we're going to use a simple past or future tense verb. So they blank their water until we get the pump fixed. So if they're going to continue to share it into the future, they will share their water until we get the pump fixed. He will sing the national anthem. We could also change it to a past tense and say he sang the national anthem. And for one more past tense verb, since we're talking about yesterday, my sister and I sledded down the biggest hill in town. This is an example where we have that vowel and consonant. We double our consonant and add our ending. So yesterday, my sister and I sledded. So those are some examples of the types of things you'll be doing. I'll actually give you a preview of the practice you'll do this week. On the first part, you will figure out what the verb is, and you'll write either past, present, past, or future on the line to tell what tense the verb is in. You have some reminders up here. And then at the bottom of the page, you will have this chart, and you will need to fill it in for each of the verbs. So good luck as you practice, and we'll see you back to correct it.